Good evening, folks. Thank you for joining us at our Solid Financial Foundation daily video. This is uh, March 28th at 6:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Um, we're going to go over a few things. We're going to go over the latest market outlook. We're going to also look in our S&P 500 futures, Nasdaq futures, Dow Jones Industrial futures. Also, we're going to go over some of the stocks. On the futures side of it, we're going to look at some of the key levels. We're going to look at support, resistance, and look for a perfect entry and exit point. Now, before we go dive right into it, let's go ahead and look at a few things really important. First, our legal disclaimer. If you notice in our details page, and you have that in this part of the video too, but you can always pause it, read it, or you can just take your time reading the details page, details of this video, and also we have information on the about page of this channel. Okay, so everything that you hear in this video is strictly for educational and for entertainment purpose only. If you do use it, uh, strongly advised to use it for paper trading. If you are using it with your real money, understand the risk involved. Okay. All right. Now, let's go over and see what we found out, what is happening with the market today. If you watch our daily videos, I don't think you were surprised to see that market how market behaved today. Yes, it was a bit down, but overall we understood the trend. If you watch yesterday's video, I talked about the key level. I was talking about the 4,000, and if you noticed, we closed right at 4,000. Okay, we went down a little bit, and that was the level that I also talked about. And if you notice, we didn't go past 40 34. Okay, and again, I'm talking about the S&P 500 futures. That's MESM 3 that I trade, and so I heard some of you took some bull trade and some of you took bear trade. In the end, everything's fun as long we were trading and making little money. Uh, it was not fun for everyone. Some traders and investors struggled to find direction. Okay, not our viewers, of course. Uh, Now, tech and communications service stocks were two of the biggest decliners today as treasury yields rose, while energy and industrial stocks were the leaders. On the economic front, the S&P Core Logic Case Shiller National Home Price Index showed that home prices were down 0.2% month over month in January, uh, marking their seventh straight monthly decline. Year over year, home prices were up 3.8%, a notable slowdown from 5.6% increase seen in December. Um, Now, while consumers feel a bit more confident about what's ahead, they are slightly less optimistic about the current landscape. Uh, Now, I don't think we are going toward uh, the uh, the housing bubble burst we saw in '08, but with the current situation with the banks, it is definitely very, very scary right now, and especially for investors and also for traders. I personally think right now the current environment is more favorable to the traders than for the investors. In single stock news, Alibaba Group Holding, the stock ticker symbol BABA, spiked 14.3% after the Chinese conglomerate said that it is splitting into 6 separate units, including digital media and entertainment, uh, Taobao, Tmall, commerce, and cloud intelligence. Um, the divisions will each be able to raise funds and undergo an IPO, which will help unlock shareholder value and foster market competitiveness, the company said. Uh, the one exception is the Taobao Mall Commerce Group, which will remain wholly owned by Baba. As for the major indexes, the Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped 0.1% to 32,394. The S&P 500 shed 0.2% to 3971 by the time it closed. The futures market and Nasdaq composite fell 0.5% to 11,716. Again, I'm sorry, I said futures market. I was actually the regular stock market. And let's see what else. Well, that's all we have for the market outlook. So let's jump right into our trading platform, and let's look at several different things. Now, if you notice, if you compare, and again, I'm going to first go over S&P 500 first. If you notice the S&P 500, it definitely stayed. Let's look at how it started first. Okay, right at about 8:30. Okay, as I was saying yesterday's video, if you notice, right at our opening, when the opening bell, which was, let's go to my 5-minute chart right here, which is right here, okay, at about 8:30, okay, it came down, okay. Now, I was talking about that right at 9 o'clock, and again, I'm talking about the Central Daylight Time, market did go up, okay, right about 9:15, it peaked, okay. So now, right after that, there was a sell-off, buyers came in, and then it went up again, but it stayed right about that key level, which is the about 4,000, okay. If you notice, right after that, it went down, okay, and then it went down below 4,000. Eventually, it did go up toward, again, 4,005 or 6 by the time 3 o'clock rolled around. Now, futures market continued for another extra hour, and if you notice that it did go up. Now, the big question right now, where do I see next hours? Okay, I personally think we're going to probably see a little more bullish tomorrow. Okay, I think we're going to still hover right around 4. I think the 4,000 is kind of like a magnet at this point. Okay, so I'm expecting market to go down to right about. You can see that I have some of the trade already set up right here, but 39.84, 39.94 area. But I don't think market will going to go below 39.64. I don't see that. Okay, so I think we're going to probably stay. I mean, it's possible that we might even go to 39.78. Okay, and again, I'm talking about the futures trading starting at 5 o'clock Central Time, all the way to 4 p.m. tomorrow Central Time. Okay, so and on the upside, I think we probably were going to see market go as high as 40.28. Okay, I don't see us going beyond 40.44. Okay, I don't see that. Now let's go ahead and look over a little bit on the Nasdaq side of it. Okay, on the Nasdaq side, it was overall more a little bit more bearish for the Nasdaq comparing to S&P 500. Okay, if you look at Nasdaq, okay, it was a slightly different picture. Okay, uh, right when market opened, okay, it definitely went down. Okay, after that, when it got close to 9 o'clock, it did go up a little bit, but not that much. Okay, then it went down even further more, and then it went up. So it's staying a lot more bearish. Now, right about 1 o'clock, things start to change, and it went back to the level, almost close to the level where it started. Okay, at 8:30 Central Time, market closed right here. If I have to guess where it's going to go tomorrow, just like S&P 500, it will be more bearish, but expect to see volatility and lot more of the bullish turn it might take during the trading session. Okay, so that's what I'm saying with the Nasdaq. If I have to give some level, I would say I don't see us going uh, below. Let me. I don't see us going below. Uh, I would say 126.20. I don't see us going under that. If we do go up, I don't see us going above 128.20. So that's the range I'm thinking for the Nasdaq. Now, when it comes to Dow Jones Industrial, okay, it is the symbol is MYM M3. If you notice that it's a little bit different for them. Right here, and again, I don't actually trade this one actively, but it does show one of the interesting things. When the market opened today, okay, I'm talking the regular Wall Street open, it actually went up, okay, and it peaked right at 32,746, and then after that it came down just like just like S&P, and then it actually went up. After that, similar to Nasdaq and S&P, it went down to this level, and after that it went up and stayed up right here, even after the regular Wall Street closed. Now, what do I see the range for MYM M3? I don't see us going below 31,900. Okay, I don't see us doing that. I think on the upside of it, okay, I don't think we are going to go higher than 32,850. Okay, that's the range I'm saying. I think probably Dow Jones Industrial probably will going to do a little bit more on the bullish side compared to S&P and Nasdaq tomorrow. So that's all I have right now. Be careful trading. If you look at the calendar, I think on Thursday, there's some news coming out from Fed, so be careful. I think this entire week is kind of weird. This also end of the month, so expect quite a bit of volatility if you're feeling more comfortable doing the paper trading or just staying off the market. That's perfectly fine too. All right. Happy trading, guys. If you have any question, just feel free to uh, post it here. And one quick thing to remember, everyone, please support this channel. Click on like, click on notification, and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, it doesn't cost anything for you to do any of those. uh, help out this channel, and I'll be talking to you guys again tomorrow. Okay, thanks.